Welcome to Artwork, Art Home, Art Stories, and Art Education. In this video, I am providing about painter and paintings. Today, we will talk about John Gonzalez. John Gonzalez is celebrated Spanish painter known for his masterful use of color and his devotion to capturing the essence of Mediterranean life. Born in Borriana, Castellon, Spain in 1937, Gonzalo showed a passion for art from a very young age. His upbringing in a region known for its vibrant landscapes and cultural tradition greatly influenced his artistic vision. Growing up in Bruana, a small coastal town, Gonzalo was surrounded by the beauty of the Mediterranean Sea, lush orchards, and bustling local life. His early exposure to the vivid natural colors and the warmth of Mediterranean culture sparked his interest in art. He was fascinated by the way light played on the water and how the countryside changed with the season. Determined to pursue a career in art, Gonzalez enrolled in the prestigious School of Fine Arts in San Carlos, Valencia. There he refined his skill in painting and drawing, studying classical techniques while also experimenting with his own style. His education in Valencia, a city with a rich artistic tradition, provided him with a strong foundation in both technical skill and artistic expression. Gonzalez is best known for his figurative works, often portraying scenes of everyday life in Spain. His paintings frequently depict rural landscapes, festivals, and traditional Spanish customs. Women in traditional Valenciana dresses called flare outfits are a recurring subjects in his work, showcasing his love for regional culture. His use of color is one of the most striking features of his art. The vivid oranges, deep blues, and soft yellows that he uses to bring his subjects to life evoke the warmth and richness of Mediterranean life. Gonzalo's style has been described as a blend of realism and impressionism. He captured the detail of his subjects with precision but also uses loose brushwork to give his work a sense of movement and vitality. His paintings are full of life with a keen attention to how light intricates with colors, especially in outdoor settings. His ability to capture the brilliance of sunlight or the play of shadow gives his work a distinctive and recognizable quality. Some of Gonzalo's most famous work include his depiction of the Fallos Festival of Valencia, an annual event known for its elaborate parades, costumes, and fireworks. His paintings to the Falera woman in are among his most iconic pieces, capturing both the beauty of the traditional customs and the pride of the women who were themed. In addition to festival scenes, Gonzalez also painted quieter, more intimate moments. He is known for his portraits, particularly of women, and his serene depiction of Mediterranean landscapes. His landscapes often focus on the harmony between humans and nature, showing farmers working in orange groves of fishermen at sea. These works reflect his deep connection to the land and culture of his native region. Throughout his career, John Gonzila has earned numerous accolades and widespread recognition for his contribution to Spanish art. His work has been exhibited in galleries across Spain and internationally, making him one of the most respected contemporary Spanish painters. He has received various awards for his artistic achievement, and his paintings are highly sought after by collectors. Despite his success, Gonzalez remains deeply rooted in the tradition of his homeland. He continued to live and work in Castellon, where he finds constant inspiration in the landscapes and people around him. His dedication to preserving and celebrating Spanish culture through his art has made him a beloved figure in the art world. John Gonzalez's work is a celebration of life, color, and tradition. His paintings, whether capturing the energy of festival or the quiet beauty of her rural landscapes, offer viewers a glimpse into the heart of Mediterranean culture. His masterful use of color and light, combined with his love for the tradition of his homeland, has made him one of Spanish most cherished painters. Through his art, Gonzalez continues to share the vibrant spirit of Spain with the world. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video.